What it do, lifers? What's good? What it do? What it do? So what it do to the lifers?
What it do? What it do? What it do? What it do?
It's Friday, September 28th. It's Friday.
It's almost Halloween. Wait, Mommy. The next day, is it gonna be Halloween? Nah. Why?
It's Friday, y'all, and my sinuses are killing me. Like this whole side of my face right here. It's nothing but sinus pressure, but we had to get out the house and go do something because for the last month, every weekend it has been raining and we haven't been able to do anything.
Why you got this on here?
Zach said that's how they do it in Dade County. Hey Maya.
Hello.
So we're on our way to Bahama Bucks, and yeah, this is the first Friday of the month that it ain't raining, like pouring down rain, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
It's freaking annoying, this weather.
Perfect time because we got a home game today and it's varsity.
Oh, you going to the game?
Mm-hmm.
What time is the game?
I don't even know. I'll have to look on my habit finder.
That's what's up. That's what's up. So me and Maya's twinning. We're wearing the same jacket.
She did that on purpose.
So yeah,
Are we trying to look like
whatever. So yeah, it's finally not raining. So after Bahama Bucks, we're going to go to Walmart. I need to grab some stuff.
Oh, yeah.
So I take it I'm dropping you off to the game?
Yes, ma'am.
Boy, if I was an Uber, I would be filthy rich.
You're not gonna get no type of stars.
Who cares?
All that complaining.
Who cares?
And we're in the same hoops. Try it.
Dre, tell the lifers what flavor you got.
Lemon and watermelon.
Oh, what flavors did you get, Anna?
Banana and cherry.
What flavor did you get, Maya?
Banana and coconut.
And you got another one, right?
Oh, and this is Sour Patch Kid sauce.
And then I got birthday cake, Jamaican punch, and banana. That's what I got last time. But I got wedding cake instead of birthday cake last time.
Next time when we go
So a bee had these kids running. Now we in the car. Now we're in the car.
I get stung by a bee again.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Dre got stung by a bee bad.
And then she blamed it on me. You remember that?
Yeah, you probably was the reason why.
No, you told me to sit there and watch him, right?
Oh
And
yeah,
I
and
was-
you went inside. Exactly.
So how was I supposed to help him fight the bee?
You could have
I
seen
was-
the bee coming and say, Dre, run. It's a bee right there. You could have pre-warned him. Yes. Moral of the story, she wasn't doing what she was supposed
Moral
to
of
do.
the story, she felt bad and she wanted to blame somebody. So
No, moral of the story, if you was outside, moral of the story, if you were outside watching him like you were supposed to be, you could have pre-warned him about the bee. But yeah, Zari got stung by a bee bad too. Maya, I think you're the only one that never got stung by a bee bad.
I never got stung by a bee, period.
When did I get stung by a bee?
I've never gotten stung.
Oh yeah, you got stung by a bee, Zari, and you was crying. I don't remember when. And I remember that bee mark stayed on Dre for weeks. Mission for Walmart. Don't know.
Just going in there to spend money.
Don't know. No, I need cupcakes for Zari. And
It's so strong. Thanks, Mom, for my Bahama Bucks. I've been craving
cupcakes and I want to get a pumpkin. Not a real one. Fake one to decorate. Wonderful time of the...
It's still September 28th.
That's funny.
Mom,
we have mean day at our school.
Mean day.
Mean.
Look, the Ninja Turtle one.
I was about to say you mean every day.
Wait.
It's the most...
I don't know. I want to be a mean, but I don't know which one to be.
Be the little boy that stare out the window. Oh, look at Groot. Hi,
Wait,
Groot.
hold up, stop.
I want to be a noticeable. Because usually, whenever I'm dressed up as something...
You're the lady that's...
Yeah, I was thinking about that, but that's not noticeable because she was wearing regular clothes.
But walk around all day like that.
Butterfly. Maya, get the butterfly. Oh my God, I'm gonna be this one.
Like the butterfly.
Wait,
I
hold
want
up.
to fly away.
I wanna be.
Oh, there go the lashes I was telling you about.
Ani, do you want to be... Oh, these?
Nah. Wait a minute.
Zari, look, you can be a mermaid.
I wanna be a mermaid.
Look, this is so cool. Can I do
Girl,
that as a mermaid?
who is going to spend their time doing that?
Me! I volunteered myself.
Nope. Exactly.
I can't be a mermaid because I already picked.
Look
Maya,
at-
look! Maya, look!
Wolf boy. Wolf boy. Wolf boy.
I wanna try. Can I try? It's hairy.
Like a
Can't roll it.
bird.
Oh my God,
wanna
there's a
fly
dog
away.
one. Look, sorry, there's a dog one. You wanna be the dog one? Wait, hold up. Mommy, check.
So Zach really bought that
Yeah,
Jason.
it look weird.
It look good. Actually, I wanna have this one.
Look at all
It
these
look
bright
weird.
pinks.
Weird?
It's our favorite time
Hold
of
on.
year. Whole bunch of hair colors y'all can do. Have you done orange yet, Zari?
No.
Orange is what they had last time. It just looked pink.
We got pink, blue,
Hello, Mommy.
Oh, hello. Hello.
stranger.
Okay. Hello, little doggy. What's your name?
Maya, let's go. We're in danger. Let's go.
Hey.
Let's get out of here.
Oh my God. I'm so scared.
Dre, you gonna bump into something.
You even see?
Boo.
Hey, you. The legacy lives on.
Oh my God, Mommy, I can't. Look, Mommy. All we gotta do is cut this and then unbraid it, and then it'll be Michael Jackson.
This boy really think he about to be Michael Jackson for Halloween.
Just take pictures of my hair.
For Donnie.
I know. I'm still trying to look for him.
Boy, you need to make up your mind, cause you trying to be
I'd say I want
Spider-Man.
Pink Ranger.
I mean, you trying to be Michael Jackson ain't gonna work. You gonna need a
Why
small.
can't he be Michael Jackson?
That's too much
Put
work.
it in the cart.
He can do his hair. They probably won't even know it's him. And Dre loves Michael Jackson.
I know.
Whatever you want
I
to
want to be Michael Jackson.
be Michael Jackson. Oh,
But
Mom,
this-
look, they have Clueless.
Oh.
That is cute.
Cause
Let's
I
take her until you get home. It's still in the same video.
want to
You
show
done?
them
Yeah.
how it fits on me.
Do you feel like
But
helping
Mommy,
me
does
in
it
my
have pants?
clear
Does
skin
it have
movement?
pants? Nah.
With the litter box that I'm getting.
Okay.
I don't know.
I always get this. I've been using this since the 6th grade when I got it. The first time Zack and I got this, use this,
The orange.
so good. You always think your face is clean, and you use one of these, and you be like,
Like what
yeah,
happened?
I'm too tall, boy.
What? Dre!
Hey, hold up. Happy September 28th.
I'm done.
Okay, so end result, I think it's really cute. Zari wanted to decorate, so I wanted to find orange and green cupcakes, but they didn't have any, so I just put some cookies and the few green icing cupcakes that we had. But that's that. Some treats, and then the other ones are just back here on the counter. As you can see, somebody already ate the icing and not gonna eat the cake. So I did a little something here too. I know the lighting is horrible. Try to get it up close. But they're two little scarecrow. They're two little scarecrow, and I think this pumpkin matched perfectly. Look at the detail on that pumpkin. And then up here we have this pumpkin situation. I think it's cute. Oh, quickly, so I did set up the dining table. We had this table since our first apartment, and it was in the formal dining area at our house, and when we moved up here, it's just been sitting in the garage. We never really used it. This is 8 years old, and honestly we hardly ever used it. So the kids destroyed the other one, so we just left that in the garage. This will do for now until I get a sectional that I want, and if it doesn't match, then I'll change it, or I'll just keep it for the 2 years or so that we might be here, and when we purchase a home, just get a whole new set. It doesn't, matter to me. That centerpiece isn't staying there, it's just there for now. I think I'm gonna get a flower pot, like a medium-sized square one. But yeah, that's it. So this is Zari's and Maya's pumpkin. They collaborated on picking this pumpkin. And yeah, it's gonna stay up here. This is Dre's pumpkin, and we're gonna put up his skeleton in a second.
Sorry. I thought you said it was the end of the vlog.
Put up your skeleton. Dre, you're not gonna be afraid at night?
No.
Okay. And voila, there you have it.
What the? You have to give them a tour in our room.
I did already.
Yeah, I saw it. I saw Mommy editing it.
Have fun, y'all. Enjoy the game.
I'm living my best life. Ain't going back and forth with you. I'm living
Maya and her friends are going to a football game at the school. Dre, you good? So Dre tried some Cajun chicken wings,
I hate cage.
and he's sweating bullets.
This is the cage. This is the hot. This is the cage. Like,
How was it, Anna?
Play granny in real life. You know, beat up some old women. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Beating up old women.
Really?
Except for the cage.
Yeah, me too.
Occasion. Well, that's gonna end today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with us. I had fun vlogging again. Hanging out with us. Like always, life first. Love you guys. See you next time. Now, pizza.